Hello, I'm J.W. Pascal, President of Air Manufacturing Corporation, the home of Auto AC Solutions. We are here to help you with your AC and your solutions that you need. We're going to talk today about the underhood packages for the Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Manufacturer dates between 61 and 1973 to 74 on some models. We build these and assemble these based off the vehicle's year, model, and engine size. So there'll be different variances to what I'm going to show you today, but this is a rough overall package for the vehicles that you may be working on. Let's start off with the compressor. We use a rotary Sandon style compressor, which comes with instructions, but we like to tell people that, and it is on the instructions, to remove the oil out of the compressor. You can do so with this oil plug or by just taking it out of the fittings. To measure the oil and then replace it with a PAG 46 viscosity oil. We will also supply a mounting bracket with hardware and instructions that will go onto the original factory compressor mount. This will allow the compressor to mount as such. It can go either way. You have adjustment where you can adjust the bracket forward or backwards. On some model vehicles, you will need another bracket to attach the idler pulley bracket. If this is needed, we will supply this in the package. We also supply with a new expansion valve. Again, this will be based off the vehicle. Could be one like this or several different other ones. Next is, we have the receiver dryer, which can mount either on the fender, radiator frame, or in some cases on the firewall if you wish. You can make that determination based off what's the easy for you. It comes with a binary switch that goes in. Now on the dryer, you do have an indication of IN. This side goes to the condenser. Comes with a pigtail for the switch. This will splice into the original clutch wire. You just cut that clutch wire in two, put one end to one, put the other to the other, and your circuit is now going to flow from the firewall through the switch onto the compressor. Of course, we have a dryer bracket to mount your dryer. The condenser we use is a parallel flow for a higher efficiency. As you can see, it's smaller than the original tube and fin style compressors. This allows for ease of installation, also for more airflow to your radiator. Again, depending on the model vehicle, these come in many different sizes. We will supply you with the correct size for your vehicle. This is mounted by 4 straps that are flexible to some degree, can be bent, can be cut, and can be painted as you need. The condenser comes with 2 O-ring fittings. We supply a fitting package. Also, on some model cars where you have the condenser with the fittings needing to come out on the passenger side, we supply a J-tube that will allow you to mount the condenser, then bring your line back over to the driver's side, which your compressor is going to be mounted on. We also supply with all the hoses and fittings. Fittings are crimped on one end, as well as charging ports for 134A attached to the fittings. Package comes with full instructions It is a fairly simple package, but if you have any problems, questions, or anything we can help you with, we're always glad, and just a phone call or email away. You can email us at jw@amcmfg.com or call us at 940-549-0288. We are here to help you. Thank you and God bless.